madam, and also my dear friends. Good morning, everyone. I am Ramyanandam from Nellore. I greet you on this wonderful and happiest moment. I am so happy to be here with you and stand in front of you. Now, I would like to tell a few words about Gandhiji and thoughts that are impacting the present society. And before going to that, I want to say something. In everyone's life, their birthday is important day. But for the whole world and the whole nation will celebrate the Gandhijian's birthday on the date of October 2nd, and the day is considered as International Day for Non-Violence. Why? Because Gandhiji followed the non-violence throughout his life. And also it's not only the birth anniversary of Gandhiji, it also birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastriji, who was the second Prime Minister of our India. And there are many philosophies of Gandhiji. He struggles more for the freedom and for the independence of our country. And his thoughts and ideas are the policies of our government. And the main important policies of Gandhiji is the first one is cleanliness. Gandhiji has a dream that to see a clean India and a healthy and hygienic India from the country. And to fulfill his dream, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has introduced the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Act on the birth anniversary of Bapuji in 2014. In the future, definitely the Bapuji's dream will be successful. And the next one is Ahimsa, that means non-violence. Non-violence is the very important and very respectable philosophy of Bapuji. Why? Because Gandhiji followed non-violence throughout his life, and at that time, against colonial war, Gandhiji responded to the attackers in a non-violent way. Then only the attackers' frustration and warmth is reduced. Then only the India is safe then. But in present times, India has retreated from China and also from Pakistan. Only Gandhiji philosophies have saved the India now. There are 76 years of independence. The Gandhi philosophy holds the ground and has a huge respect in the nation and out of the nation. And the next one is Swadeshi. Swadeshi means one's own country. Gandhiji believed that all the people in the nation and in the country is be one family and one caste and religion. And to fulfill it, and he believed that only then it is impacting the present society. And also during the COVID times, many of the people are suffered from the COVID and from the poverty, unemployment and hungriness. In that time, all the remaining people will become a one family and support the suffered ones to be strong. And the next and important one is women emancipation. That means Gandhiji believed that women want to come out from the society and to be a part in the society and to work like a man. In that now it is impacting in the society. That's why? Because girls has come out from the home and be a part in the society and has an equal rights like men. That's the last. I want to conclude it. Gandhiji is the inspirational person in our lives, and he is a life listener and a life presenter in our lives. It is very important to know about Gandhiji very well. And I believe that the Albert Einstein said that the future generations could not believe the one who has flesh and blood walked on it. I believe that it is true because he sacrificed his life for the independence. So Gandhiji is the important person and motivator of our life and in the present society. So my dear friends, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.